Hey guys, welcome back to Heroes Part 3. And when I play this, I'm always here with
Brayden.
Yes, and as usual, I'm here with Brayden, yeah. Today we're just going to be walking around because we've already done 2 parts of Heroes. This is Part 3. Ah!
You get hurt when I do that.
I know. Sure, I didn't post much yesterday. I actually didn't post at all yesterday, I don't think. Can I turn you to stone, Brayden?
Let me do you first.
Okay. Now, go. Oh wait, that's X. That's X.
Yeah.
Sorry.
My body's broken. Did you see that?
What, you really?
Yeah, my screen is broken.
Oh my god.
Cool, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm gonna be the person now.
Brayden, you should probably be her and then I'll be someone else and we will see how it is. Okay, stone me. Oh! Oh, you killed me!
Yeah.
How dare you freeze me?
Huh. Nice. Well, you can't get me now. Try your powers on me. It shouldn't work as well.
Okay, I'll try. Hup. It worked? I'm going to go behind the wall. Hi. You know I can just teleport, right? I can teleport into buildings. Hi. Ha 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 ha! I teleport. You know I can teleport, right? So I can teleport anywhere I want. How dare you freeze me again! The reason why last 2 parts you couldn't hear Brayden is because we were in a call and the calls don't work. Discord is not working for us, right?
Yeah, normally it doesn't work. Where you go?
Hey Brayden, what's the hide and seek game we played in part 2, or was that part 1? Well, in whatever part we're gonna play the hide and seek game. I'm going to make a green light.
Okay, I'm supposed to find you.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna shoot random balls of energy.
In each building and see which one I'm in.
Yeah.
Actually, we won't alert any buildings. Let's see if we can find them.
Are you shining your light? I can't see.
Well, Brayden, we're not gonna do that this time. You just got me! You just got me. I'm in this building. Now you gotta hide.
Now to make sure you won't.
You froze me just I'm gonna stay in this building, you know?
No, you don't cheat. Did I just make the wall go down?
Well, the wall went down, yeah.
I thought you were ready. I am ready.
Okay, coming. I'll try my light in each building. I saw through the window that you went this way. I can look at Brayden. Brayden has his laptop with me. We're both in the same room. Nope. Brayden and I are in the same room. Before, when we played Heroes before, we weren't in the same room. We were in separate rooms.
Yeah, that's why the audio is really bad.
Yeah. I mean, you could hear me perfectly. You just couldn't hear Brayden that good.
Oh no, I almost just died.
Ow!
Well, I was freezing.
No. I'll shoot at every building that I can find. Because I know he went this way. So he has to be in one of these buildings. I'm not going to look.
Left.
Nope. Because I don't think so, right? Nope.
What if I'm moving right now?
I don't know. I can check every building, right?
Let's take a while. What do you think?
What building could you
I'll
pop?
give you a hint. It's a Nicki Minaj song. Or, well, it's in a Nicki Minaj song. Let's go to the...
Beach each?
That's where I'm near.
Okay, so I got to find the beach and look in a building by the beach.
What if I'm not in the boat?
This just got interesting. Use your powers, it's near the beach.
I just did.
I didn't see it, I probably was turned around.
Not in the building.
You're not? Oh, I think you're in the trees. Oh, I see it! I see it! I see you! I found out you're in a tree. I see blue. I see blue. I see you.
I actually stopped.
So, do you want me to use my power?
Use your F. Oh, Jesus!
Whoa! Oh, did I kill you? Oh, no, I didn't. Thank goodness. But I got you unstuck. But I got you unstuck, thank goodness, right? Okay, now let me go. Brayden, I'm going to go hide. Now, please, keep turning around so you don't see me. Are you secretly following me? Okay, I'm in. I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm not giving any hints, but when you're like, I'm shining my green light. Yep, you found my building. I'm trapped in there now. How dare you? I can't get out. Can you get me out, please?
Okay, go hide your building, Jack.
I'll go count in this. I'll go count in here.
Wait, hold on.
When the,
No, go in a building so I can trap you, and then when I'm ready, I'll let you out, okay?
okay.
That's a good idea. I'll do that to myself, too.
Whoa. Okay.
That's a good idea.
Mhm. Just gonna walk around. What are you singing?
Oh, it's Taylor Swift's song. Okay, I'm hiding.
Okay, unleash it. Okay. Can you give me a hint?
Yeah, I just shot out.
I am nowhere near you. Did you go to the opposite side of where my building was, like over here? Where
Well,
I'm.
I don't know where your building was actually. Now that I think about it, but
This was my building right over here.
I'm in a rare color building.
My building was right. This is my building.
I'm in a rare color building.
Are you this way?
I don't know.
Look at my screen.
Just what's a rare color building? There's only like 3 color buildings of this color.
Okay, I'll zoom out. See how many. Is it like?
We see those 3 colors. Those are the main colors. What's the one color that you see that's not? You may have to look around a bit.
Okay.
I think you're getting warmer.
How much am I getting colder or warmer?
I think you're getting colder now, but you were getting warmer.
Warmer?
I can't see. I look around your screen. Yeah. You're really warm. Really warm. I think. I don't know. I'll shoot another laser thing.
Okay, I'll go outside. Shoot. I didn't see it. I hardly see this color, so I think this might be the building you're in. I found you!
You actually did?
Yeah, I found you! It's in a blue building!
It's actually a really good thing you see that it's a rare color building, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'll count to...
Just trap yourself in here.
I'll count a minute.
Okay. Braden, why can't you just wait until I'm ready?
Okay, I'll do that.
Don't you dare! Okay.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay. Okay, time to find me.
Okay. I actually don't know where you went.
Yeah, Braden actually doesn't know where I went.
This is gonna be harder.
Yeah, because it's kind of hard to find me now, right? I'm in a very common color building. So this is going to be harder, right? Because I'm in a common.
Was it farther away from where I was?
I'm like sitting far away from the mic.
Is it the yellow and orange ones?
Shh.
I looked through a lot of buildings.
But I'm going to shoot my power. I'm going to use it. I'm going to continue on using it until you find the building I'm in. Wait, it stopped.